Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we're doing another review from Potty Pack, and this is their 10 compressed towels in this bag, which I think is great. And you can see the dimensions, how many you get, 100% cotton. So what we're going to do, all you got to do is just add water. So we're going to cut the bottom off here, grab one of them out so you can see they're individually packaged, which is good. And also give you time to, if you had to, if you were going to put them in your bags, good to have. So now, all you got to do is add water. Dump this in. I don't know if you saw it, maybe I was blocking it, that kind of just popped up. And you got these nice little towels. And for the, you don't need a lot of water. If you put the little towel in your hand, you can probably just drop a little bit of water. It does not need a lot. But this is a nice, it's going to start ripping the harder I pull it, but this is a really good towel in case you need it. Clean your face, clean your hands, whatever you need to do. This is a nice little towel. So, and the price of these are $3 for a 10-pack, which makes each individual these 30 cents a piece, which isn't too bad. So, for getting a 10 count, you can easily put these in your car. If you work in an office, if you work in retail, just kind of have this with a little bit of water. You never know, you might need something to kind of wipe up. So, yeah, so these little 10 compressed towels are a really cool thing. So thank you for Potty Pack. We have one more to go after this. And, let me write down below if you guys have bought anything from Potty Pack, or if you had the compressed towels. Let me know. Did you like them or did not like them? Love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.